Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now we have complicated cataract. Complicated cataract develops as a result of it occurs because of the other lens diseases, like it can occur due to uveitis, or it can occur following degenerative diseases like myopia, retinitis pigmentosa, or even after tumors we can have this complicated cataract. So this complicated cataract is actually looks something like this. In complicated cataract, we can see polychromatic luster is seen in the complicated cataract. Even it is called as bread from luster is also seen in the complicated cataract.
thank you and thank you for watching.